Today I will be showing you how to install your new 1/4" jaws on any Dualcam Vise seen here on the We66. To do this, you will need your depth key and to ensure that your locking lever is in the upright position or the jaws are open. You will then pinch the jaws together with thumb and forefinger lightly, and using a single prong on your depth key, push the pins holding the jaws in out the front of the sharpener. Then pull these pins out one by one and remove the jaws. To install the new 1/4" jaws, simply slide them into the vacated slot. Ensure this lever is in its upright unlocked position, and then return these pins to their original slots. They may take a little bit of fiddling to reinsert, but once they find the correct position, they will slide in easily and simply.